which is the greatest punya and which is the greatest sin. See what is it in? Kahau kavan ag param karala. Karala means bhankar, terrible. What is a terrible sin and what is it? What is a very good merit? Very good answer is there, surprising answer. What is the answer given by Kakbhushan ji? Please see. Param dharma shruti vidit ahimsa. पर निंदा सम अग्नगिरी सा. क्लियर हो गया ना. ग्रेटेस्ट पुण्य इज अहिंसा एंड ग्रेटेस्ट सिन इज निंदा, मीन्स टॉकिंग बैड अबाउट एनीबॉडी. बोले आई थिंक यू स्किप दिस पोर्शन. let us now see. When I read this, that greatest dharma is ahimsa. So we feel greatest dharma is speaking the truth. Greatest dharma is brahmacharya is there. Greatest dharma is, honesty is there. But when I thought on this topic sometimes, I felt one thing. There is no sin in which you don't hurt somebody. Supposing I lie to you. If I lie to you, I have to hurt sometime. Because one day I will know that you will know that I had lied there. And when you will feel that I had lied, then you will get a little shock. He lied to me. Why he lied to me? Now you tell me this will not hurt the person. Supposing I don't know you are hiding. But I will know someday. And when I will know, will it not hurt me? Small things make a person saint. Small things. Is it not ahimsa? Himsa is based on this point. Himsa is not somebody killing. We can't kill, we'll be in jail. But mentally we hurt a lot. Mentally you can punish much more a person than physically. Physical punishment is you can't give. You will be in trouble. Mentally I can really trouble you. Hinsa is there. 1,000 hinsas are there. Supposing, Ravan is there. Why he went to somebody else's wife? Because of his calm. His calm, which was adharmic calm, gave pain to so many people. Lobh, I'll tell you. Anybody is greedy, he will definitely give pain. Any businessman is there who is very greedy, he will definitely give pain to the customers. There is a story I'll shorten the story. Vishwamitra goes as a king to Vasishthaji's ashram. So, in no time, nice food was served. He said, in the ashram, such a nice food. In few minutes, you got everything, puri, kachori, halwa, rabdi, chamcham, and Indian gulab jamun, and what is it called? Balu shahi, milk cake, kalakand, jalebi, imirti. All was there. So he said, I have kamdhenu. And plus nice full glass of milk. Whatever they wanted. How? Kamdhenu is there. No, Vishwamitra said, give me. He said, but this kamdhenu is used for yagya, etc. For ghee, etc., which is used in the yagna, it is for that. Ashwar with the renunciate person will be safe. Other person will do bhog of that. He said, no, give. Arey Maharaj, he fought. Vasishtha also said, Kamdhenu bring out soldiers. It comes in Valmiki Ramayana. So Kamdhenu brought out soldiers and they fought. Any greedy person will hurt. Do you think dharma is not based on I am not the source of hurting anybody? Some people I have seen do lot of puja part, etc. Satnarayan Katha, Phalana Katha, Dimaka Katha. That jhanda in the house is there, lal jhanda, yellow jhanda is there. Right? Tirth, Brat, etc. They will do that fast, that fast. But close people itself they hurt. I can't understand what kind of puja and katha and which God will take your puja. In Bhagavad it is said, I don't take the puja of such people. They may offer flowers, any number of. परम धर्म श्रुति विदित अहिंसा. अच्छा और सुन लो आप थोड़ा सा. Listen a little more. बोले हाँ keep on saying. You know what is the param dharma? Ahimsa means whole relation is, any relation is based on giving joy. I should be a cushion for other person. Ahimsa means I am not the source of pain for other person. ठीक है? I am not, and who will not have this, who will not feel the, who will not have pain? Yesterday only I had mentioned, who himself does not have pain in his heart. Ahimsa cannot be practiced unless I don't have pain in my heart also. It is not possible to practice it. So every dharma is based on ahimsa. Every relation is based on ahimsa. It's a very, very important point. I can't say I don't bother, I don't care. If you don't care, others also don't care. This is the policy here. Gurudev used to say, somebody, he went and talked in UNO, in ecological imbalance. And he said one line, well, this world is your own eco. Well, ecology is destroying because it is you became selfish, therefore nature also became selfish for you. It is not that something has happened, it is your own ego. I didn't do it good for you, how I expect you? Every relation is based on high level of sensitivity, high level of understanding. That is ahimsa aspect. High level of identification. नहीं बोले हाँ ऐसे नहीं होगा. बोले but he is not sensitive to me. How can I be sensitive to that person? Here is where saintliness comes. He is not sensitive, I will be sensitive. हमारा धर्म हम करेंगे भाई. My धर्म I will do. परम धर्म श्रुति विदित अहिंसा. Serving is based on that. Guru and Shishya can be together because of ahimsa. Husband, wife can be there because of ahimsa. Friend can be there because of ahimsa. Brother can be there because of ahimsa. Don't think this is only for book. Well, Swamiji, Ramayana is not practical. Come on, have you read anything? Those who say they have not read at all. They have not even read ABCD of Ramayana also. What will they talk about it? What is not practical? You hear, ये practical नहीं तो क्या है? What is this? परम धर्म श्रुति वेदित अहिंसा. यस्मान् नो द्विजते लोकः लोकान् नो द्विजते चयः. So that is the principle there. बहुत अहिंसा की जरूरत है भैया, बहुत ज्यादा अहिंसा की जरूरत.